also kickstart the morning with some key macro news. Then the U.S PCE price index rose 0.1% for August, putting the 12-month inflation rate at 2.2%. Meanwhile, the core PCE price index, which excludes the more volatile categories of food and energy, rose by 2.7% over the same period as well. So that's the sort of move that we saw coming in there as well, matching markets' consensus. Now, monthly growth in the core PCE price index was 0.1%, that is below expectations. Remember, now the Fed tracks the PCE price measures for its 2% inflation target. So that is something that we were looking at. Shifting focus from US macros to oil, then the OPEC Plus alliance is also once more cracking down on group compliance with oil output cuts as it presses ahead with a three-pronged plan of formal and voluntary production trims. Now, the OPEC Plus coalition has sharpened its focus on the conformity of its members with their output pledges amid repeat overproduction from heavyweight members, the likes of Iraq and Kazakhstan as well. Moving on then to the auto space, Volkswagen has trimmed annual outlook for the second time in less than 3 months. This comes amid a weaker than expected performance at its passenger car division as pressure on Europe's top automaker also continues to rise. Now remember, the lowered outlook is the latest from Germany's car giants, with Mercedes-Benz and BMW both downgrading their annual forecast earlier this month as well. Moving on then, China's central bank has announced that it will lower mortgage rates for its existing home loans by 50 basis points on average before October 31st. Now, this comes as part of sweeping policies to support the country's stressed property market as the economy also slows. Now, the central bank has also focused on interest rate reduction in batches to no less than 30 basis points below the loan prime rate as well. Alright, then shifting focus to geopolitics, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu has said that Israel had settled the score with the assassination of Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah in a Beirut airstrike. He also emphasized that Nasrallah had been responsible for orchestrating numerous attacks on Israelis and foreign nationals, including high-profile bombings in the 1980s as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.